Hello friends, in this video we'll talk about the sternocleidomastoid muscle and the applied aspect. First we'll talk about the muscle, then we'll go into the relations of it and the applied aspect. So here you are seeing the sternocleidomastoid muscle. Break the term. Here the mastoid part will be the insertion, that is the mastoid process. Sternocleido is the origin, that is the sternal head, and the clavicular head. So clavicular head as in clavicle, sternal head as in manubrium sterni. Nerve supply will be the 11th nerve. What does it do? It turns the neck side to side. That is when it is acting alone. When together it bends the neck like this. You can see this here. The person is doing it. This is for one head and this is both the heads. So the superficial and deep relations are more important. But it's good to know even superficial also. We have the skin, platysma, and what are the nerves? Great auricular, transverse cervical, medial supraclavicular, and the lesser occipital nerve. Then we have external jugular vein with the cervical lymph nodes and the parotid gland. Now the deep relations. We have the upper, middle, and the lower part. Upper part we have the posterior. Okay. We have the posterior belly of the digastric, longissimus and splenius capitis. No veins and other structures. Okay. And the nerves, 10th and 11th nerve, cervical and brachial plexus with C2, C3 as in ansa cervicalis. Middle we have the levator scapulae, the scalenine, same splenius capitis, and now here inferior belly of omohyoid. Remember now for middle and lower part, anterior jugular is common, extra internal jugular in the middle part. Okay. Arteries will be different for all the parts. For here it is common and internal carotid. Here suprascapular and transverse cervical. Then here the nerves. Same brachial plexus and extra here phrenic nerve because diaphragm is there. Okay. Then we have the thyroid gland and lymph nodes. These are the other structures. Lower, what are the muscles? Strap muscles, sternohyoid and thyroid with the scalenus anterior. Veins and arteries I have already explained. There are no nerves and other structures. Okay. Let's see the applied aspect. Torticollis or Rhyneck. That is the paralysis of the muscle supplied by the 11th nerve. That is sternocleidomastoid and trapezius. It may be congenital, spastic or acquired. So congenital as in at the time of birth. So when the delivery of baby happens, or for example we know that a gynecologist does the baby deliveries from the mother's womb. So that time what can happen? There can be a paralysis of the sternocleidomastoid and tumor can be formed. It may be irreparable tumor also. Spastic, there can be painful contractions. Just like for example, you can take rotator cuff for example. What happens when you are using violently the rotator cuff? The tear will come and the sound comes. Ah! Like that. Okay? And it may be reflex or acquired. Any neurovascular damage, whatever the structures we have mentioned in the sternocleidomastoid, any of those structures can be damaged. That is reflex. Okay? Right. So references from where I have took the pictures. That brings us to end of the video. So thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.